Getting an incorrect password message when trying to log in to Netflix on your iPhone? This usually happens if your saved password is outdated or the Netflix app is syncing old credentials from iCloud keychain. Let's fix it quickly. So open Netflix, then go to Sign In. Now, on the Sign In page, you will see the Forgot Password option. Tap on it. Now you will be directed to an interface like this. Here you have to choose email or text me. If you have a phone number linked, for example, let's choose email. Now enter your Netflix account, email, and tap email me. With this, Netflix will send you an email on your Gmail account where you can directly reset your forgotten password. I don't want to reset my password, so I'll not click the button, but it's actually pretty simple. Just follow the on-screen prompts of that email and you'll get your password back in no time. Hope this guide helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video.